how to factory reset the Ring Chime Pro. So if you're having connection issues, the first thing that I would tell you to do is actually to unplug this for 30 seconds where it powers off, and then plug it back in. See if that will help the connection. Now, if that doesn't work, the next step that I would do is a factory reset. And the first thing that you want to check is, one, the power's on, which we can see here. You can see it's not connected because it's flashing green, but just to clear everything out of it, we're gonna do a factory reset. So we're gonna go down here to the button down here, and we're gonna hold that for 15 seconds to initiate the factory reset. So I'll go ahead and hold that. So 1, 2, I won't count, but what you're gonna see is a flashing white light right there that's gonna let you know that it's been factory reset. So there you go, you saw the light, it's been reset, it's in reset mode. Sometimes it takes about 30 seconds to a minute to finish its reset, but once that reset is complete, now you should be able to actually reconnect this Ring Chime Pro. So if you guys have any questions on the factory reset, please leave a comment. I'll try to help you out as much as I can. I also have my playlist here on the top with Ring videos. So if you have any other questions, or hopefully I have those Ring videos for you. If not, let me know. But I appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.